In this video, I'm gonna explain you about Amazon PPC phrase match type campaign. So let's just quickly do the recap of what is actually happening here. Like I'm explaining you in this video series about different types of Amazon PPC campaign, like what they are and for what purpose we need to use it and at which place. So basically mainly there are two types of campaigns, like auto campaigns and the manual campaigns. And under that manual campaigns, we are having three campaigns like phrase match, exact match and broad match. Like as I said, different types of match type campaign are having different purposes. So in my last video, I explained you about exact match type, which you need to run when you're having all of your keywords, all of your golden keywords, which you think that are super relevant to your product and bringing you the most of the sales to your product, right? So the exact match type campaign, you only have to run when you're done with your keyword, when you're done with your discovery, and now you want Amazon to show your product exactly on those keywords which you want to tell Amazon and you want to make more profit. So basically I say that exact match type campaign, the most profitable campaign, or if someone asks me like I want to get most profit, so I tell them to run the exact match type campaign on their confident keyword so they can actually rank their product on exact those keywords and get more sale and more profit, right? But on the initial stage, when you don't know about the exact keyword, when you don't know about the super relevant keyword on which basically you are confident that they will work and they will bring you traffic, and those people who are your target audience and who want to purchase your product are exactly searching those keywords. So if you're not having that knowledge, so initially you need to run some discovery campaigns so that you can discover some new keyword which are basically working for your product. So then from those keyword lists, you can filter out some golden keyword and run the exact match. So the best example of discovery campaign is the phrase type campaign, which I'm going to be explaining you and show you in this video. Because here you need to understand, like you are selling your product on Amazon Marketplace, and Amazon Marketplace is a website that is working on algorithm. Like no humans are running that system, but basically algorithm. So that algorithm or website knows like what your product is and what kind of buyer will purchase your product. Because on Amazon website, daily millions of people go and purchase some product. So this website is having the data of those people, like about the behavior of those people, about the likes and dislike and so on. So Amazon know like which kind of people searches which kind of keywords. So you need to take the help of Amazon with the help of this PPC to discover or find out a group of audience which can be your customer, right? So let me give you an example. For example, you are selling a water bottle, right? So basically there are multiple water bottles. Some kind of water bottle people use in the gym, so they are called gym water bottle. And some kind of water bottle are for schools, so they are called school water bottles. So if I'm selling a school water bottle, so there can be multiple keywords like school water bottle for kids, pink water bottle for school, or blue water bottle for boys. So if we just make the combination of these words, so we can actually make hundreds or even thousands of keywords by shuffling only these 5 to 6 words like water, bottle, kids, pink, blue, boy, girl, or school, right? So basically you need to learn the whole concept about phrase. Like in this kind of campaign, for example, if I create one campaign with 5 keywords and I put those 5 keywords like water bottle for my kids, school water bottle for boys, or pink water bottle for girls, right? So if I put these kind of 5 keywords in this campaign and run that campaign for a specific budget, let's say $30 per day. So by utilizing those $30, this Amazon PPC phrase campaign will showcase my product advertised to some people who are searching these kind of keywords like water bottle for kids, pink water bottle for my girl, or blue water bottle for my boy, right? So as in this campaign, I only insert 5 keywords, but that Amazon PPC campaign will not show my product only to 5 keywords, but it will show my product to the people who are basically searching some kind of phrase keyword like this. Like if I put the water bottle for my kids, so if someone is searching for any other keyword like kids water bottle, like this campaign will shuffle that keyword or change the position of the words in that keyword, like water bottle for my kids or kids water bottle. So if there are 5 keywords and there are 3 to 4 words into each keyword, so you can imagine how many combinations you can actually make from these kind of keywords, right? So all of those possible combination which people are searching on Amazon PPC campaign will show your product to all of those people who are basically searching the keywords which include these words, not the whole keyword, and the position can be changed, right? So that's why I call this campaign a discovery campaign, because in this campaign, when Amazon broadcasts your ad to some multiple people, so you can get the data after 2 or 3 days, like how many people search for which keyword, and out of those keywords, how much impression each keyword has got you, how much clicks each keyword has got you, and how much sales. So in that way, after running that phrase campaign for at least 7 days, you will be having a lot of data. And I am not sure that this campaign will be profitable or not, but if not, then it will give you some valuable data which you can later utilize into the exact campaign to get more sales, more click and more profit, right? So for example, after 7 days, you download the report of that campaign. So you will be having the data in front of you in an Excel sheet, like how many keywords in this campaign for your product has been targeted in past 7 days, and from those keywords, how much sales, impressions and clicks you got on each keyword. So then when you put some filter on Excel sheet, so you will be able to find some keyword which are good for you and some keyword which are not good for you, which are getting clicks but not sale, but some are getting impression but not click, right? So from those lists of keyword, you will be able to find top 10 or basically top 20 keyword which are best performing keyword for you and which are super relevant. So then later on you can use those keyword into exact campaign and try to rank your product on all of those keyword which are best for your product, because nobody can tell you the exact relevancy for the keyword about your product except Amazon, because Amazon knows who are the audience and what is your product, right? So after analyzing the campaign after 7 days by the help of Excel sheet, you will be having some golden keywords in your hand so you can use them and make a lot of money. And by the way, just for your information, if you don't know like from where you can actually download that Excel sheet which gives you the data for the past 7 days for any campaign, so you can go on YouTube and search for my video Amazon PPC search term reports. If you search for that, you will find my video, and in that video I've explained you like how you can download the reports from Amazon PPC for any of your campaign or for any of the day or date range, so you can basically analyze the data or performance of your PPC campaign, like what is happening here, why you're losing money or why you're making money, or how you can make more profit, right? So if you learn all of these techniques from my free videos, then you will not lose money in your Amazon PPC and you will make good profit. So I hope at this point you are having complete knowledge about Amazon PPC phrase manual campaign, like how to discover keyword, how to find golden keyword, and then later how to use those keyword into exact match campaign to get more profit. So right after watching this video, go there, start running some Amazon PPC phrase campaign, and I know that sometimes these campaigns are not profitable, but no need to worry. If you lose some money into these campaign, then later on you can actually recover that money into exact campaign. So go there, run those campaign, and if you don't know exactly how to run those campaigns step by step and how to analyze those campaigns from Excel sheet, so as I said, you can watch my other video in my playlist so you can know how to do this properly for your product. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.